We are now here at Briones. It's a fabulous regional park in the center of our East Bay Regional Park. And today, now at Briones, Ann and I are here, and we are here with Hewlett Hornbeck, who at one point was in charge of land acquisition for the Park District, and who now at 86. At 86 is still taking advantage of our parks. And you have some places you like to walk in particular, right?
Well, I have a few places I like to walk, and I have a few items to talk about. But I come over here at least once a week, and I also go to other parklands about on the same pace, so it's 3 or 4 times a week. And I mostly walk on reasonably level trails, and the reason is because the wind. I get for some reason I have 2 artificial hips, so I have to not have a grade over 3 or 4%, not too much. But I can walk for an hour that way with no problem and then get back in my car. I want to say that when I drive to where stationary, where I then start to walk, and a lot of these trails are up creeks because creeks followed the contours of the land historically. That's why, and they don't have a big grade. So the trail, if it's near the creek, is a very comfortable trail. And I would like to encourage the public, because when I see members of senior citizens like myself, and they're walking along the side of the road, and they're looking that they don't get hit, and so forth and so on. And I'm going to and I feel almost awkward that I'm going to such a joyful place, and they are out there looking at houses and looking at yards and looking for cars to not hit them. Even if they're on the sidewalk, they have not changed their environment. And when I might take my walk and get back home, I am totally refreshed.
And Lafayette is just a stone's throw in that direction. Orinda is in that direction, and yet you feel like you're in the middle of nowhere when you get here.
Well, that was one of the purposes when we were building this park.
There are so many other parks to visit. This one in particular, though, is good for seniors, you think?
Well, it's marvelous for seniors, and I'll just describe, because it's like I was thinking today, it's like the palm of my hand and my fingers. We're in the area of the palm of the hand, and the fingers are the valleys that go out in every direction, and they go up the ridges, and the ridges are around us like a circle, like the tire on a hub, and we're in the hub. And it's over 5,000 acres. There's nothing like it in the United States in terms of giving privacy, seclusion. We bring the kids in for over the weekend, the boys and girls, little groups, and they have the little camps, and all the camps are low profile, and the gates are locked at nighttime. The security is 100%. It's wonderful, and it's not just for the seniors, but it's for the whole family and for the children.
You know, we've been talking in the show about Mythbusters, and I would just, by your example, you yourself are a Mythbuster, that at 86, you can still be out hiking and walking and enjoying. Do you think it's kept you young?
Not only hiking and walking, but receiving the sensation of these parklands and these trails.
Do you go over to Nedgerly Staging Area? You know, because there's a new trail that was named in honor of Hewlett not long ago.
Well,
do you ever take that trail?
I take it at least once a week now, and I walk up it has a nice creek, and the creek flows into the Carquinez Straits. And so we won't describe how to get to it, but it's a wonderful location, and the Nedgerly Staging Area is right near a road, and it's right near the Carquinez Straits, and it's not that far from Martinez, and it's on the Port Costa side. And you go there, and you got all kinds of room to park your car, and you get out of the car and you take a walk on a nice comfortable grade, and you go through the woods. And the woods have moss in them all year long, and they have rocks with the moss on them because it's all on the north slope. It's all on the north slope, and it's amazing. It's a different world.
All right, your enthusiasm is contagious, but I'm going to press you one more time to ask you whether or not you think being outdoors has been good for your health.
My doctor, I have an internist. I've had him 4 years. He does not know what's happening to me. He says, I can't figure it out. He sends me to all these specialists, and they get my blood test and urine test and all the rest, and then he looks at it and he says, oh, like that.
Yes.
So no, there's no question about it.
You're certainly an inspiration for all of us to go take a hike.
Okay, fine.
And I think in a minute we're going to walk over, talk with Ned Mackay, and also yourself, Beverly, and they're going to show us exactly what we need to put in a knapsack so we can enjoy Briones Park and the rest of the Regional Park District.